In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Edge data collection for Copilot. We're going to do this directly inside Microsoft Edge, and the process is quick once you know where to look. If you want a little more privacy while using Copilot in Edge, this setting is worth checking because it controls whether Microsoft usage data C is used for personalization and memory features. To begin, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window and click the Copilot icon. This opens the Copilot panel where you can access its options and settings. After the Copilot panel appears, stay in that panel and look again toward the top right area. You'll see a three-dot icon. Go ahead and click that three-dot menu to open more options related to Copilot. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This takes you into the settings area specifically connected to Copilot, where you can adjust how it behaves and how your information is handled. Inside Settings, choose Privacy. This is the section where Microsoft places controls related to your data, personalization, and memory. If your goal is to reduce data collection, this is the exact place you need to be. Next, click Manage Personalization and Memory. This section gives you more direct control over how Copilot uses information to tailor responses and remember interactions. It's helpful for users who want a more private experience and prefer not to have usage data contribute to personalization. Once you're in that section, find the option called Microsoft Usage Data and turn it off. Disabling this setting stops that usage data from being used for personalization and memory in Copilot within Edge. And that's it. The setting is now disabled. As a quick tip, settings like this can sometimes move slightly if Edge gets updated, but the general path is usually the same. Open Copilot, use the three-dot menu, go to Settings, then Privacy, and finally Manage Personalization and Memory. If you don't see the exact wording right away, just look for the privacy-related options inside the Copilot settings panel. This is a simple change, but it can make a difference if you're trying to limit how much of your activity is used to personalize your experience. If you're following along, just make sure the toggle stays off before closing the panel. That's how to stop Edge data collection for Copilot.